Today I have a special video for you. It's teaching you an important skill that you can use for the rest of your life. Today I'll demonstrate how to retrieve and then correctly return a Chromebook to the Chromebook cart. Here it is. This button on the very bottom, push it in and the handle pops out. Rotate the handle to the right, then pull gently to open, revealing Chromebooks in the cart, each plugged into a charging cable. When you want to retrieve a Chromebook, pull out the charging cable, reach in and grab the Chromebook out. Notice that each Chromebook is numbered and should be returned to the corresponding number's slot. After using your Chromebook, return it to the slot with the same number. This is the wrong way to put it back. Upside down is also incorrect. Upside down and backwards, another wrong way. The correct way is so that the charging port with the symbol that shows DC power facing towards me, so I can plug in the charging cable, and then you plug it in from the left to the right. That way every Chromebook in the cart has a cable attached. If we open it up, it looks great. But what is wrong with this picture? Actually, several things. Here's the first problem. This Chromebook was left out on top of the cart. That's not the right place for it. Let's see where it is. Notice each Chromebook is numbered with a number that corresponds with an appropriate number in the slot. It's just like playing the matching game or Old Maid. But someone didn't play Old Maid apparently as a kid. They didn't learn that you match number 32 on the Chromebook with number 32 slot. There's a different Chromebook in this slot. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's number 30, but that's wrong. There's another Chromebook in slot 30. That's number 4. This brings up another problem. Number 4 was missing, but nobody put it back in the correct slot. I'll now demonstrate how to correctly return a Chromebook to the correct slot. You look at the number on the bottom of the Chromebook. Find the corresponding number in the Chromebook cart. Then slide the Chromebook correctly into that slot. Now notice I didn't turn it around backwards. That wouldn't work because the charging cord won't plug in. I didn't turn it upside down. That's not the appropriate way either. It won't slide easily. I didn't turn it this way. That doesn't fit. The correct way is to slide it in the slot and then plug the charging cable in from the left to the right. Again, from the left to the right, like we read. You can see that there's other Chromebooks that suffer the same problem. This Chromebook doesn't have a charging cable in because someone plugged it in backwards from right to left. That doesn't work. Let's fix it by plugging each of these from the left to the right. From the left to the right. And then number 21s can plug in correctly from the left to the right. Notice number 17 is also unplugged. We'll plug it in from the left to the right. And now all the Chromebooks are correctly returned to the cart. It's a happy day. Now some people might wonder, why do we need to put it in the correct slot? The reason I do that is so that if there's ever a problem and a Chromebook is not charging, if they're always scattered around at some random spot, I won't know if the problem is the Chromebook or the charging cable. But if it's plugged into the correct slot every time, and if it has a problem, I can take it out, plug it into a different slot and see if it charges, then I would know that the problem is with the charging cable and not with the Chromebook itself. So it helps me in troubleshooting problems. So I appreciate it very much if you guys will return the Chromebooks to the correct slots. It just makes it better when everybody returns things where they're supposed to go. Keeps things organized. Thanks for watching this video, and if you ever have any questions, Can't remember how to correctly use it? You can always scan this QR code and it will take you right to my video on how to correctly put a Chromebook in the cart. Thanks.